Imagine you are learning JavaScript and you have just explored the capabilities of web APIs. You are keen to create an application that utilizes one of these APIs. In this scenario, you can ask GPT for ideas to help you create an app that makes use of those web APIs. Sometimes, as a developer, you need to brainstorm ideas or explore different approaches to solve a problem. ChatGPT can be your virtual brainstorming partner. You can bounce off ideas of ChatGPT, discuss potential solutions, and receive suggestions for alternative approaches. This collaborative environment can help you think outside the box and find innovative solutions to your programming challenges. Imagine you're learning JavaScript and you have just explored the capabilities of web APIs. You are keen to create an application that utilizes one of these APIs. In this scenario, you can ask for ideas for an app that makes use of a web API. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends hoping to learn ChatGPT. Also, do let us know in the comments if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for more information, and we will be happy to incorporate it in the next video. For an instance, let us inquire that can you provide me with some app ideas that make use of web APIs in JavaScript? Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. In response, it has given me certain suggestions like a weather app, music recommendation app, news aggregator, movie finding, recipe finder, language translation, flight tracker, social media analyzer, public transportation scheduler. These ideas can definitely spark your creativity and guide you in building your application. But if none of these ideas resonate with you, you can ask for more suggestions. However, if a particular idea captures your interest, you can dig deeper by asking for more details about that specific idea. For example, you can say that, tell me more about the second option, news aggregator app. Well, this is a very detailed answer. It tells me that a news aggregator app is designed to fetch news articles from various sources and present them in a centralized location. It has given me some additional details like on how to build news aggregator app, like API integration. You need to do API integration to fetch news articles. You need to do the user interface design for an intuitive and visually appealing user interface. You can do article display where each news article should be displayed in clean and readable format. And you have to include key information such as the title, source, publication date, and a brief summary. You can do some personalization to it by adding some features for the users to get personalized newsfeed. For example, if their preferred news is politics, they can prioritize those articles for them. Then there are saved articles and bookmarks. There is push notifications, and it is telling you to consider to integrate push notifications so that the users are alerted with the breaking news alerts and updates on the topics that they are interested in. They can also customize their notification preferences. It has also asked that we can use social sharing, which is something that allows users to easily share articles. And then there's offline access. Implement caching mechanisms to allow users to access previously fetched data even when they are offline, just like we do in Google Sheets or Google Documents. And it has also told me to comply with the terms of use and usage policies of the chosen news APIs, because some APIs may require attribution or have limited usage, and it is important to review their documentation and guidelines. By the way, if you want to learn about generative AI in far more depth and detail than what I'm covering here, we have a lot of courses of AI and ML from top universities in India and the world. Link is pinned in the comments. Go check it out. Let us ask, if I plan to build such an application, suggest me a few attractive names for it. Okay, so it has given me a few attractive names for my news aggregator app. It has given me options such as News Hub, News Pulse, News Flash, News Blend, News Flow, and told me to remember to choose a name that aligns with the app's purpose and target audience. So as you can see that I can use many prompts, serial prompts to brainstorm a new idea that I want to come up with, or I can also list down the ideas that I'm not even aware of if I have just the information of a single concept such as JavaScript web APIs. I can do this using a lot of other concepts. I can use it in Python, I can use it in any other programming language, and then I can try to focus on one specific requirement that I want or something that I'm interested in, and then brainstorm on top of that. So as you can see that I have continuously added prompts on top of each other so that I can come up with a small idea. I can also tell that I have chosen the name News Wave as it sounds good to me. Please give me a product description for it. As you can see here, it has given me the name Newswave and a catchphrase along with it, which says, "Stay in the now, write the Newswave." Sounds pretty good to me because I can now build on top of this. And it has told me there are some key features, trending top stories, easy article navigation. Download news now and become a news surfing pro. Stay informed, explore diverse perspectives. And this is just a sample product description. We can definitely modify it according to my specific needs of the application.